Hi guys, in this tutorial we are going to learn single inheritance. Single inheritance enables a derived class to inherit properties from a single parent class. In this case, there should be one parent class and one child class. And the child class should be derived from the parent class. And all the properties and all the method would be derived from the parent class. So this is called single inheritance because there should be a single parent. So let's take an example. So here a class parent. Inside the class parent, let me create a method. Let's say define one parameter to be self print is parent class. And as I told you that there should be one base class or parent class. In the derived class, there should be the parent class will be derived, so I can pass the parameter as a base class or our parent class. So I pass the parameter as the our parent class. So here I can do that. Create a method, say func to self int is function is in. So after that, as you know that we have to initialize our object. Let's say object equal to derived class, which is our child, and I can call the method using our object get func1, that is in our parent class, and object dot func2, that is our child class method. So here if I will run this, it will give me the output, that is our method, our parent class method, that is this function is in parent class, and child class method, that is this function is in child class. Let me run it. It gives the output that this function is in parent class and this function is in child class. So this is called the single inheritance because there should be a one base class or one parent class. Okay, so in this example we learned single inheritance.